Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. I feel like I haven't done this in a long time. This is a first impressions type video. I recently got a really generous PR package from Versed Skin and I've been using a bunch of their products for probably about 2 years now. There's a handful that I keep in rotation. I love their Sunday morning antioxidant serum. I love their gentle exfoliating face wash. I really like their brightening mask. So any opportunity I have to try some of their new products, well, new to me products, I jump at. And this one was in my most recent package and I could not wait to try it. I literally got the package today and I'm trying it tonight. This is the Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. It's made with eucalyptus oil and vitamin E and it is a makeup remover. Now, if you know me, if you've watched this channel ever, if you read my blog ever, if you followed me on Instagram, you know that I love and swear by and keep in bulk the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. That is just my all-time favorite makeup remover. It works so well. It gets off all of my face makeup, stubborn mascara, waterproof mascara, every last drop. It just works great. And I've really never come across anything that works as well as it. So when I got this, I really wanted to put it to the test because not only do I really enjoy Versed products and I feel like my skin responds really well to them, but there have been so many people online raving about this product as well. So I'm dying to see if it's really as good as everyone says. So I just pulled up the description quickly, a few things about this product. It's vegan, cruelty-free, pregnancy safe. It melts away makeup and impurities without stripping moisture from your skin. From the moment you open the jar, this cleansing balm smells like a spa. It's all thanks to a dash of eye-safe, naturally antibacterial eucalyptus and clove leaf oil, not artificial fragrance. So that's awesome. There's no artificial fragrances in this, which is huge. I've been trying to eliminate products that have fragrance, so that's a win for me. As you massage it into your skin with wet fingertips, the oil-based balm softens to create a light, gentle milk that rinses clean with no oily residue. It's especially loved as a first cleanse by all the double cleansers out there. With the Clinique, I find that it's the only cleanse I need to do. It removes my makeup, it cleans my skin. I usually don't follow it up with another cleanser. I mean, once in a while I will, but I don't find the need to. So we'll see if this suffices as a single use or if I need to go back in with some soap and really get off the rest. This is made with 50% post-consumer recycled plastic, which is awesome. It's free from parabens, silicones, sulfates, and over 1,300 ingredients that have questionable data. So what I really love about Versed is that all of their products are made with clean ingredients. When it comes to packaging and shipping, sustainability and being eco-friendly is very high priority for them. So their whole operation is just really admirable. So the more products that I fall in love with, the more I've been converting my entire skincare routine to their products. This was the perfect day for this to arrive because they actually put on a full face of makeup. I haven't done a full face of makeup in a while. I did like a true eyeshadow, liner, a few coats of mascara, and all this face makeup. So let's go see how it works. I was gonna go film myself removing my makeup and then do a voiceover, but when I opened this, I had to come back on camera because it really does smell incredible when you open this. For something that has no fragrance added, the natural fragrance of this product is out of control. It is so potent, just fresh. It smells like nature. I guess it's the eucalyptus, which is really strong, but I'm really liking it and I love that it's not artificial. Just a quick look at the balm before I go take my makeup off. It looks like a very soft wax, very, very similar to the Clinique. Just had to rave about that for a second.
All right, so in their PR package, Versed sent this cute little headband, so I'm going to put it on, open up the balm, take a little bit on my finger. It's really soft and easy to work with. Massage it between my hands and then apply it directly to my face. No water or anything is necessary off the bat, so just massage it into your makeup, into your eye makeup, your lips, all your face makeup, and it will begin to melt off. This might feel a little unnatural or uncomfortable, but this is what gets it going. So once you feel like you've massaged most of the makeup off, you're going to grab a little bit of water. I have a little bowl in front of me here, so I'm just going to take a little bit and then massage that into my face as well. This is going to help loosen up the makeup and remove it from the face. Now, if it's a little stubborn, which I found mine to be, I grabbed a washcloth and I dipped it into the water and then rubbed it all over my face, and that really helped to get everything off. I do think this would be easier if I was using it at the sink in the bathroom. I'm literally just doing it on the floor, so I'm kind of working with a bucket here. The washcloth helped a ton just to get some of that stubborn eye makeup off, but overall, you can see that there's virtually no makeup left on my face, and I love how easy this was to use.
All right, I just finished removing my makeup with this cleansing balm and I have a few thoughts. For starters, it's worth noting that I just did this on the floor. I didn't do this in the bathroom in front of a sink. So I think if I was actually in the sink and able to wash my face normally, it might have been a little bit easier, but I did find it a little stubborn to remove. I think the product did a great job melting my makeup out of place, but when it came time to completely wash off of my face and remove entirely. It was a little stubborn. I did have to dampen my washcloth and kind of apply a little bit of pressure to my face to make sure that it all came off, but it did. It really did. I have no more mascara, no more eyeliner, no makeup left on my face whatsoever. So at the end of the day, it worked. The smell is delicious. I love how it smells. I know I mentioned that earlier, but it just is a really clean, kind of like earthy, fresh scent. I did find it a little irritating to my eyes. However, this happens sometimes with my Clinique as well. I think that's actually the makeup getting rubbed into my eyes as opposed to the product getting rubbed into my eyes. There's really no reason that this should irritate my eyes, so I'm gonna attribute that to my mascara and eyeshadow and liner being massaged into my eyeballs. In terms of the consistency, I would say that it's pretty on par with Clinique. It's very soft. Clinique may be a little more dense, but they're both very soft and easy to work with. I liked how this just melted into my fingers when I massaged it together. My skin feels great right now. I'm so happy that my makeup was easily removed. I was a little worried that my eye makeup would be stubborn, but I'm overall very impressed. I did pull out the Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. This has green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. I'm just gonna put this on my face now because I have no product on. This came in that PR package as well, so it's brand new. I haven't used it yet, but it sounds like a really great gentle lotion for morning or night. It doesn't really have a smell. Wow, I feel like my skin needed that. The cleansing balm did not leave my skin really dry. It didn't feel dry or completely dehydrated. I could have probably skipped the gel cream, but I actually really like how it pairs. My skin feels amazing. I am ready for bed. I am actually about to go to bed, but my final verdict on this is I would give it a 9.5. My Clinique gets a 10 across the board. I don't know why I'm just so loyal to that makeup remover, but this worked great. This worked amazing. I might put this in my travel bag. I may keep this as backup. I will definitely use it again. So this tub is $18. It is a little smaller than the Clinique tub, but they last forever. A little bit goes a very long way, so you will get, I don't know, these last me months. My remover balms last me months. This is nearly half the price of the Clinique, so that is definitely a bonus. I would consider that next time I was buying a balm if I was on a budget and looking for something that worked pretty much just as well. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave me a comment below letting me know if you have used any Versed products before, especially the cleansing balm. If you want to try any of their products, you can use code AmandaBella10 at checkout for a 10% discount and to let them know that I sent you. If you like these product review videos, let me know below as well. I would love to continue doing them. But that is it for today. I'm gonna go, actually, I don't think I'm gonna go to bed yet. I think I'm gonna have a popsicle and then I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.